DU-JAT, also known as Delhi University Joint Admission Test, is an entrance exam taken by candidate to enroll in undergraduate management and business studies programs. It is a test conducted by the National Testing Agency for domestic as well as foreign candidates. The registration period for the exam is the months of May and June, and the exam itself is held in the month of June. In this video, we are going to discuss about eligibility. Candidates appearing for DU-JAT should have secondary certification from CBSE or any other recognized board. The general category candidate should have a minimum of 60% in the 12th class, and the percentage should be an aggregate of 4 subjects, which is Maths, English and any other 2 subjects which are approved by Delhi University. For SC, ST, PWD candidates, the minimum score for their 12th is reduced to 55%, subjects being the same. The candidate has to individually pass all the 4 subjects, which includes Maths, English and the other 2 which are approved by Delhi University. In this video, we'll discuss the exam pattern for DU-JAT exams. DU-JAT is a computer-based test conducted by the National Testing Agency. It is conducted in 2 shifts, morning shift and evening shift. There are 4 sections in DU-JAT and each section contains 25 questions each. These 4 sections are quantitative ability, reasoning and analytical ability, general English, business and general awareness. Each question answered correctly will give you positive 4 marks, and the wrong answer will result in a deduction of 1 mark. Youth for Work have come up with a few suggestions that could help while preparing for DU-JAT. Keep your mathematical concepts up to the mark for quantitative ability. Business and general awareness can be tackled with listening to the news and panel discussions. Also read books related to business studies to increase your knowledge. Reasoning and analytical questions generally are tricky, so we would suggest to keep on with the practice. Lastly, give a lot of mock tests to keep up with the factor of timing yourself during exams. For this, I would suggest you download the Prep Guru application designed by Youth for Work.